Alright, so I guess this guy's got 2 oil pumps, because there was a very similar one on the other side. You can still see where it had all that creamy oil in there. I mean, there's definitely some wear marks in here. Had I maybe known better, maybe replaced it, but I apologize, some of this is in the sun and some is not, but again, including the flywheel bolts, I'm also, because I had a week time to wait on some needle bearings, went ahead and bought new gears for the front pump, oil pump, and also the rear. And if you recall, or I'm going to hopefully place this right after, it was just really rough. I mean, you can see all the damage on there. If I can get it to focus. Come on. There we go. How bad it is. I mean, it's just really scarred up. So, you know, for another $200, we went ahead and got these 3 parts. Those are some pretty deep ones, and hopefully keep that oil flowing pretty good. It is still scratched up in here. I mean, I can get my finger in there, but this whole piece was another $200 or $300, and hopefully with these parts going good, we'll be all right. There we go. Thankfully it goes on one way. All right, we'll do Loctite on it and just screw those back in. Now, from the instructions I saw on this side, there should be another filter, I think, on this side, so I want to pop this off here. Oh, there. Thankfully it came off nicely. And I also have another gasket for right there too. Yeah, look at that guy. He's pretty nasty. Let me clean all this up. Alright, so in the gasket kit we did have one for this guy. There we go. Loctite him, put him down, hand tight, 17 pounds or so. Okay, now we got this side. Let's take this guy out. He feels pretty rough. And we'll Loctite him. There's one screw that needs to go in that's long. He's the one left over from this side right here. And we need to make sure that our guy right here is lined up. All right, guys, so I made a mistake here, and I was just looking through the gasket kit, and I saw that I had this still lying around, and that one fits right here. So I had to take this off, and then we're going to put it back on. It's kind of strange they have it, because it has that rubber seal on here, but that is the way that it goes. So took it off, and we're putting it back on. It's still pretty tight.